No-bake Chocolate Hazelnut Cheesecake. To get started, grease and line a 22cm springform pan. For the biscuit base, process the biscuits in a food processor until finely crushed. Add melted butter and process until well combined. Spread over the base of the pan, pressing down with a flat bottom glass. Pop in the fridge to chill. Onto the filling. For the whipped cream, whisk the cream with an electric mixer until stiff peaks form. Then in a clean bowl, beat cream cheese and vanilla for 2 minutes until smooth. Add icing sugar and beat for another 2 minutes until smooth. Now beat in the hazelnut spread and melted chocolate. Fold in whipped cream. Spoon the mixture over the biscuit base and smooth the top. Then pop in the fridge for 30 minutes. To make the topping, bring cream to a simmer in a small saucepan over medium heat. Then carefully pour over the chocolate. Wait for 2 minutes, then stir until the chocolate melts. Let the topping cool slightly, then pour evenly over the cheesecake and spread it out with the back of a spoon. Sprinkle with the toasted hazelnuts. Pop back into the fridge for another 8 hours or overnight to set. When you're ready to serve the cheesecake, just remove the pan and paper and cut into wedges. This rich, no-bake chocolate hazelnut cheesecake is easy to make and great for entertaining. For more cheesecake inspiration, don't miss our perfect baked New York cheesecake video here.